Hello, parents, and welcome to the library and open house. I'd like to welcome you today. My name is Tamara Roberts. I am an experienced educator that wants to bring fun and exciting learning experiences to the library. Please come hang out with me. We have lots of opportunities for students at our library. An effective school library provides learners with a venue to explore questions that arise out of personalized learning opportunities and out of individual curiosity and interest. So here in the library, we have a lot of options to help support student learning. We have literacy in finding riveting books that they can read inside and outside of school. Social and emotional spaces, a quiet place to read or study. Inquiry research process where they can learn something new. Future ready skills where they can make something creative, and help with Web 2.0 skills to learn a new technology skill. We love parent participation here at the library, so here's some ideas on how you can get involved. Be active in your students' education. Ask questions. Get involved. Volunteer. We have lots of opportunities for volunteering in the library, from shelving books to helping check out books. Request material. If you hear of something new and fantastic that other students would love to check out, please request the material from your librarian. And connect with the library via social media to know what is coming up. We have lots of wonderful opportunities that we'd love to share with our parents. The library is a place where teachers and the librarian, myself, can collaborate to create the best learning environment. Inquiry and investigation are at the core of the school library and also at the core of many different content curriculum. We offer inquiry-based research, help with text analysis and genre selection, paired text, student-selected reading, remediation and extension opportunities, and a focus with future-ready skills. Our library programs are where we have the most fun. Here are some options that will be going on throughout the year. Poetry Slam, where the students get to write and perform their own poetry. Battle of the Books, where we compete against other high schools. Open Mic Night, where students can bring songs, poems, monologues, anything they'd like to have at the open mic. A Trivia Jam, we're going to have trivia competitions. Book and Bites is our weekly book club during lunch. Makerspace opportunities and STEAM challenges. Lots of great opportunities and programs for students. So my final comment here is about an education. My primary role in the library is to help be an educator with your student. An effective school library plays a critical role in preparing learners for life in an information-rich society, and the school library has the unique ability to be a classroom, a play space, a discovery center, and a haven all at the same time. My goal is to help with literacy, information gathering, critical thinking skills, problem solving, perseverance, communication, and creativity, and that's just to name a few. So I'm very excited about the year ahead in the library, and I hope you will come and be a part and see all the neat things that are going on. Thank you.